Hey Tracie's Place fam, welcome to the reveal of our Erommy 12x14 hardtop steel gazebo. It is finally finished, it is furnished and everything. So you've probably seen the gazebo build when me and my husband was putting it together. And it's a permanent structure. It has been attached to the concrete. Praying this one will last a good while. We've heard good things about them, and so far we love ours. And then we have this sofa sectional type of piece here, and it is by Rattan Star, and you may have seen that. I put that together last week. So this is finally finished. One more thing before we get started. It is fall, so this is a fall decor reveal. It's fall decor for the gazebo, and when spring comes, spring and summer, that'll be another reveal video for the patio, and it'll have more spring, summer type colors, of course, but this is fall, so this is what's going on now, and the rest of the yard is not done. That's why this makes this even more special for us, because we have just a dedicated space. In the coolness of the year, we can just come back here, kick back, watch TV, eat, or just sit in quietness and feel the breeze. So let me show you what we did in the gazebo. Okay, so like I said, it is fall. I'm going to take you around to each little corner and let you see the decor, which I chose. And this is the Rattan Star sofa sectional, and I absolutely love it. So I will put the link in the drop down description box below the video, like I said. And it comes in 3 different colors. You can choose one that matches your area, and you will be good to go. These pillows here I got from Old Time Pottery. They were $12.99 each, but on sale, they were having a going out of business sale. They were 40% off. So I got 1, 2, and then there's one more in the chair over there. This pillow is from Amazon. Everything from Amazon will be linked below. But I got this from Walmart. And just a nice little throw when you get cool back here in the fall time. We will be bringing our TV back here and just having movie nights and different things. So we're excited about that. And this came with this table, and it lifts up. Let me see if I can lift this a little bit. And do check out the video, y'all. Me putting it together, it'll show you everything. So it zips up. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm trying not to knock my stuff over on the top. But this compartment is zips up. And you can put anything in there you want to. This came with a cover as well, a furniture cover for this. This is the ottoman. So it came with 2 or 3 covers, and so it all fits under the covers, and so we can leave it out here during the winter time and just cover it up really good. So this rug, I got 2 of those from At Home, and then this runner I got from Amazon. Really love this, and all the pieces are a little different from different like genres or whatever, so it just adds to the hominess of everything. Some of the things are boho, a little eclectic, some of them, some are just traditional pieces. So I just like to combine my styles together and then come up with a little flavor of my own. So I got this piece here from Burlington's. This was $7.99, so that was a really good price. And then I got these rocks. These were from Dollar General. This little plant was from Dollar General, and then I got this from Walmart, a little nice candle pillar, and then this vase here was from Dollar General as well, and then this floral piece was from Ollie's. So just kind of like a little fall piece, and I really love that. And let me move on over this way. So this is a plant that I got from Old Time Pottery as well. This was $29.99 with 40% off. And then this little accent piece right here is just a rattan bowl. You can put some leaves or flowers or whatever in if you want to. But I have little twinkle lights in there, and you can turn them on. They're battery operated, and they look so nice at night. I got these on sale, y'all, at Dollar General. It was about $2. And then the twinkle lights were from Amazon. This recliner chair, I think I got this at Ollie's. I've had this for a while. So it was from Ollie's. I think it was like $49.99, but a couple of years ago, you can get this anywhere, probably Walmart, Menards, Home Depot, Wayfair, you know, rattan recliner. And this is the other pillow that I was telling you all about. So 3 pillows. They were $12.99 each with 40% off. And so really loving that space. So let's go around over here. Like I said, y'all, our yard is not done. It is fall time. And we just didn't do much other than the garden. We did not put up the pool this year. And so the yard is just, you know, something else. But in spring and summer, do come back for the reveal. And it'll probably be in like May or something like that. But cannot wait for that as well. But right now, like I said, we're enjoying this gazebo because the weather is nice and cool. And we have this little piece here. This is just a crate, y'all, I got from Walmart. $2. It was $2 or $2.99. That was a regular price. So I just turned it up this way and put a little bit of decoration in there. And this little sign here says relax. I got that from Old Time Pottery, and I believe it was $7.99 with 40% off. And then this, and I won't go over the price of everything because some things you will not be able to find, but I'll just tell you where I got the items from. This pillar here for the candle, that was from Old Time Pottery with 40% off. This little candle I got from Walmart. So cute, and it smells really good. And this little ball here, the little khaki white color ball, I got that from Old Time Pottery. Everything from Old Time Pottery was 40% off. I made out like a bandit, y'all. And then this little piece here, I got it as part of a sprig from Ollie's, the little leaf and pumpkin. And I will show you more of that. And before I go on to the rest of this, I got 2 rugs just like this. These were from At Home. So this is one full rug here. And then I got one rug, another rug, and I split it down the middle. So I got 2 of these rugs. One of them I split down the middle because I just needed it for this. And I really love the neutral color. It just helps to show everything. And so I have this garbage can here. I believe it's supposed to be a garbage can, but I liked it. I just wanted some black and just, you know, a little accent piece. Don't use it as a garbage can. It's just a little accent piece. And it was from Old Time Pottery also. And then I got this little pumpkin set here that was from Gabe's. And let's see, citronella candle, I got that from Amazon. And even though the netting is up and there are mostly no mosquitoes and things, every blue moon, depending on the temperature, sometimes they find their way in. So I got one of those just for those times, but for the most part right now, no mosquitoes can get in, and it's just really cool and nice back here. And our weather is turning right now pretty good, so we are headed strong for fall. I have this little accent piece here. It has a light in there, and it's battery operated, so it looks really nice at night. Easy to turn on under the bottom. This I got from Ollie's as well. So I just got a few floral accents to make it feel like fall. I didn't want to go overboard, so this is just a nice touch. And this is the other side, or the other view. And then coming over here, we have this lounge. I cannot remember where I got this, you all. For some reason, I'm thinking it was from Home Depot. Home Depot or Menards, somewhere like that. But I got it a couple years ago. And if I could find something on Amazon like it, I will put it down below. Also, this pillow, this came as part of a 2-piece set with the other welcome pillow over there on the sofa. So I got this from Amazon. And coming down here, we have this little accent piece. And as you can see, I have a piece of the rug here. And just wanted to add a little hominess. And then I have this piece here. It says, choose joy always. And I got that from Old Time Pottery. This was from Old Time Pottery as well. And this floral was part of a floral pick that I bought from Ollie's. So I got some really good bargains. And this right here I got from Old Time Pottery as well. And I just love this lantern. I just have some little Dollar Tree flicker lights. And you turn those on, it just adds, along with all the other lights at nighttime, just a really nice ambiance. So it's really nice. I love that piece. And then coming over to this little corner section here, focus that in. We just have this little area. This has another little crate that I got from Walmart. This pumpkin came from Dollar General. And this floral pick is part of this floral pick. I just got one of these picks. So I got 3 picks total. And one was a leaf pick, and then the other one was a browner type leaf pick, and then the one on the table. So the leaf pick, I just split it up and put it several different places. And then I have this little ball here. I got that for like $1.50, y'all, from Dollar General. And then these little felt pieces I got from Michael's, along with this one as well. And then this plant I got from Old Time Pottery. It was $12.99 with 40% off. And some of the white accent rocks I also put in here in the base of the plant. And then I got this lantern here. I love it, just love it. It just gives me beach vibes without doing too much beach vibes because we're nowhere near the beach. But I really, really love this. And then we have another one of these little rattan bowls, and it also has lights in it. And so at nighttime, it looks so nice and cozy back here. It lights up the floral stems and everything. This is a solar powered little lantern type piece, and there's bulbs in there, and it looks gorgeous at nighttime. And then I have this little stool here, and I got that from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. I got it for this fan because up here we have some electricity ran out, and I needed this up on this stool so that it could the outlet. So that's that. Now going up to the ceiling, y'all, we have a ceiling fan back here with a light on it. We had another one at first, but it didn't put out a lot of air for the space. It was a small one. It had a cage. It was really cute, but we had to send it back, and I really loved this one. So this one is black, and then it has the light in the center, and it has several different settings, so you can set the mood. It goes really low and kind of dusky, and it gets bright as well. So just depending on what you're doing or what you need it for, it has several settings for the light. It has 6 speeds for the fan. And we absolutely love that because even though we just put it up in September, we've had some hot days and we really needed this fan. And then when it's cool back here, you know, you don't need it, but you have a light if you want a bright light or a warm light. So the fan gives off really good air. Like when it's really hot outside, it gives off really good air. But to make it even better, that's why I have this fan right here. So this fan, when you turn it on, it has a good gusty air. This one does. So when it shoots air up this way, this takes it and just circulates it, and it feels so good. And the fan is from Amazon, and I will link that down below as well. And also to add to the lighting ambiance, y'all, we have these string lights, and we got these from Home Depot. And I will try to put some down in the drop down description box below this video from Amazon. You can get solar powered ones. These run by electricity. So we love our string lights. Let me see if I can get a wide view. So I cannot wait till summer because the pool will be over there. And then we'll have, you know, all the flowers and the decor in the garden and all that. And I just cannot wait for that scenery. But right now I am enjoying this so much. In a little bit, we may change this around. I'm not sure because we are going to bring our TV back. We're not sure if we're going to get one mounted or if we're just going to have, you know, our TV, if we're just going to bring it out here because we have one right inside for the pool table room. So we're not sure if we're just going to bring that out when we want to sit out here and put it, you know, we have a narrow little table. So it may just go right there. And if so, it would be better to turn this couch on this side of the gazebo, and we would just switch that chair and put it over there. So that is another option we are toying around with. But yes, we are in love with this space back here. I also got these tie backs for the gazebo, and they are just really cute in this chocolate brown. I just thought it would bring everything together from the outside. Did not need them, but just wanted them. Just thought they'd be cute, and they are. The gazebo already comes with tie backs, as you can see, and they tie around each column. But I got 4 of these in chocolate brown. 4 came in a pack, and they are from Amazon. Just adds a little something, something. As you can see, the gazebo zips up so you can enter and exit out of either of the 4 zippered areas in the gazebo. So it comes with these nettings, and that's to keep, of course, the mosquitoes and bugs out. And that makes it so comfortable back here, whether it's cool or whether it is scorching hot. It also has the curtains that come with the gazebo. So if you just want it open like this and you just want to tie the curtains back, as you see I have them, it's just so nice to just look out and you can see everything and just feel the cool breeze still coming in though. So I really enjoy that. Or you can close all of the curtains up and you can be secluded. Sometimes you don't want your neighbors seeing everything going on. So you close it up for more privacy. You can just close up whatever side you want to. A lot of the times I will have the back and the sides open, and I will just close this side over here when I want privacy. Now if I want to just look out, I have them all open just like this. And you can open and close any side that you want to. So when the sun is out, you can also just close up this side, or if it's beaming from that side, you can close up that side. The Erommy gazebo comes with this like double tiered roof, and it has netting on all sides in there so bugs and mosquitoes or birds can't get up in there and get down into the gazebo. But it allows the hot air to escape out, and it keeps the gazebo cooler. So that netting up there really helps. It's like I said, if you want to be outside but not outdoors, this is perfect. And this is just a closer peek from the outside. So this is what the gazebo looks like at night. It's all nice and cozy. I absolutely love it at nighttime. So the lights are on. The ceiling fan light is not on, but the ceiling fan is going, just on low. And the other lights are on, so I'll take you inside. So this is inside. And I'm gonna turn off the string lights and show you what it looks like. But this fan real quick, it comes with a remote. You can work the light, you can work the speed of the fan. It's real easy to use, and you don't have to download the app on your phone. That's what I like about it. The other fan we did, and I did not like that at all. But this fan works better, and it's easy to operate with the remote. See how these light up over here? That is so cute. Love that. And then this is what it looks like with the ceiling fan on. So there's everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed bringing it to you. And the gazebo and this sofa, the sectional sofa, will be down in the drop down description box below this video. And if you want to get any of the decor, I will place that down in the drop down description box below the video as well, because some of the pieces are from Amazon. And anything else that is not from Amazon, but I can find something similar on Amazon, I will put it down below in the drop down description box as well. All right, so here's the video. Click on one of them. Enjoy.